25 East 9th Street, near downtown Des Moines. Elam Christian Fellowship Church and Lutheran Church of Hope getting together for the Work at Work Hope Fair.
It should have been translated Morning Star, or can be Morning Star. You wonder. We do know if we look back historically.
Happy little McCoy. Anybody?
Now on January 31st will be entered into a drawing for
Merchant, going back to the Tiger Lily CD for Wonder. We heard One Republic, Stop and Stare, Nora Jones in there with Sunrise, and Kings of Leon rounding out that set. You know, it is the holiday season, and we're filled with things to give away that all make great gifts, like tickets to see Annie. Yeah, the Des Moines Playhouse production of Annie is coming, and we've got tickets for you. Just sign up now at capital1063.com.
Check. Yeah, go game.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jason, what are you doing?
I'm warming up.
For what?
For the 7th annual Not a Silent Night, December 4th at Hoyt Sherman Place to benefit Toys for Tots.
The theme this year is Home for the Holidays.
Get your tickets now, and don't forget to bring a new unwrapped toy. For a chance to win tickets, go to capital1063.com.
Oh, and here comes Christmas.
A burger is a burger, right? Wrong.